Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Learn Academy Plus, your own YouTube channel. And today we will discuss international organizations. For getting next videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Let's start the video. The United Nations is a intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations and achieve international cooperation. There are 193 member countries and 2 observer states. It was founded on 24 October 1945. Headquarters New York, USA. President Antonio Guterres. Our next organization is UNICEF. The United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund is a United Nations agency work for providing humanitarian and developmental aid to children worldwide. UNICEF's activities include immunization and disease prevention, administering treatment for children and mothers with HIV, enhancing childhood and maternal nutrition, improving sanitation, promoting education, and many others. Founded on 11 December 1946, headquarters New York, USA. Our next organization is United Nations Development Program. The United Nations Development Program is the United Nations Global Development Network. It advocates for change and connects countries to knowledge, experience, and resources to help people build a better life for themselves. It promotes technical and investment cooperation among nations. It was formed on 22 November 1965. Headquarters is in New York, US. Head is Ashim Steiner. Our next organization is UNESCO. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization is a specialized agency of United Nations aimed at contributing to the building of peace, the eradication of poverty, sustainable development and intercultural dialogue through education, science, cultures, communications and information. It was founded on 4 November 1946. Headquarters is in Paris, France. Director General is Audrey Azoulay. Our next organization is World Health Organization. The World Health Organization is a specialized agency of United Nations responsible for international public health. The WHO Constitution, which establishes the agency's governing structure and principles, states its main objective as the attainment by all people of the highest possible level of health. It was founded on 7th April 1948. Headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland, and the Director General of WHO is Tedros Adhanom. Our next organization is World Bank. The World Bank is an international financial institution that provides loans and grants to the governments of poor countries for the purpose of pursuing capital projects. It was formed in 1944 at the Bretton Woods Summit. Formation of the World Bank was done on July 1944. Headquarters of the World Bank is in Washington, D.C. President of the World Bank is David Malpass. Our next organization is International Monetary Fund. The International Monetary Fund is an international organization consisting of 189 countries working to foster global monetary cooperative, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and to reduce poverty. It was formed in 1944 at the Bretton Woods Summit. It came into formal existence in 1945. Formation was done on 27 December 1945. Headquarters is in Washington. Our next organization is World Intellectual Property Organization. The World Intellectual Property Organization is one of the 15 specialized agencies of United Nations. WIPO was created to promote and protect intellectual property across the world by cooperating with countries as well as international organizations. Formation of WIPO was done on 14 July 1967. Headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Head Francis Gure. Upcoming head Darren Tang. And today's question for our students is, where is the headquarter of SARC? Option A, Kathmandu. Option B, Dhaka. Option C, Beijing. Option D is New Delhi. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.